Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Privy pop-ups on Shopify for email capture. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. From the dashboard, navigate to the Apps section. Here, you'll want to search for Privy in the App Store. Once you find Privy, click on it to install the app. After installation, open the Privy app from your installed applications list. You'll need to create an account if you haven't done so already. Follow the on-screen prompts to sign up. Once inside the Privy dashboard, click on the Create Pop-up option. You can choose from various templates that suit your store's style. After selecting a template, customize the pop-up's content to match your branding. Be sure to include an attention-grabbing headline and a clear call to action. You can also adjust the button text to encourage sign-ups. Once you're satisfied with your design, click Save. Now it's time to set up your targeting options. Decide on when you want the pop-up to appear, such as on page load or on exit intent. Configure the display settings, such as frequency and timing. Make sure to review your pop-up settings for any other customizations. When you're ready, click on the Publish button to activate your pop-up. Next, return to your Shopify admin panel. Go to Online Store and select Themes. Find your active theme and click on Customize. In the theme editor, check the preview to see how it looks on your storefront. Once satisfied, click Save in the theme editor. Your Privy pop-up is now live and ready to capture emails. Monitor performance through the Privy dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.